Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I picked up something from Amazon. Let's see what this is. Uh, Okay, this is kind of box that I'm not really familiar with them having. So let's see if I can get in here. Alright, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So, that box was not gonna accidentally come open. Okay, so, oh, yes. Ooh. Okay, so the story behind this is I went to take my Coach Brooklyn 28 back to Belk where I bought it. I ended up not being satisfied with it, and it kept falling off my shoulder and stuff. So anyway, there's a whole video about that. So, but while I was in there, I walked around. It was 4th of July. There was hardly anybody in there. It was around, later in the afternoon. So anyway, I went over to the Brahmin section, and I just was walking by. I wasn't really interested. I've been through like phases where like I was like totally in the Michael Kors, then totally in the Denim Burke, and then totally in the Coach, and then totally in the Brahmin and all that. So I'm out of my Brahmin phase, and I think I'm more into my Coach phase. I am kind of shifting kind of back toward Denim Burke and maybe Kate Spade. But anyway, the point is, I wasn't expecting to like a Brahmin purse. Okay, this one, it was so cute, but it was regular price at Belk. So I did the Google search on it, and I saw that Amazon had this on sale. I think it was during the Prime Day, but it seemed like it might have been before Amazon Prime. But anyway, let me show you this purse. I think it is so cute. All right. It's a smaller one, but I think this is so cute. I'm so excited to get this one. I don't know if I've ever seen them do assimilated denim. So this is, from what I understand, this is actual crocodile leather, but it's made to look like denim. I think this is so pretty. And oh my gosh, this chain is so heavy, and I usually don't go for this color gold too much, but this, I mean, it works with this. Look at that. And it is so heavy and substantial. I mean, not a bad heavy. It's a good heavy, this is high quality. So I love it. And I'm usually a big purse girl, but sometimes I do like a smaller purse. And I think that this wouldn't have worked. And maybe a little bit bigger, it might have would have worked. But I think the cuteness depends kind of on the size, if that makes sense. But look at this. It's so pretty. So pretty. And we got the two different kinds of denim. So you could wear any of it, really. It's so cute. It's kind of dressed down, but then you could really dress it up as well. When I'm talking about with your outfit, because I don't think this needs a thing. Maybe a gold, what do you call those, cherries? Maybe hanging off the side here, but you really don't need anything else with this. So pretty. So let me tell you what this is. So at Belk, if I'm not mistaken, it is still this price. And I would have to put on the screen what I pay for it is, I want to say it's at least $100 off of that. But I will put on the screen, or in the description box probably, what I paid for it. It's really cute. And if they have some more, I will link it. All right. So let's, whoops, that's loud. Sorry. All right. Because the chain is kind of heavy, it tipped right over. So we got just, whoops, oops. I know that I am going to get some feedback on how loud that is. All right, so we got the little dust bag. All right, let me see if I can hold on to this chain so it won't do that again. All right, so we got the little denim looking pull tab. This comes out so you can clean it like that a lot. So we got one long slip pocket there. You got the zipper pocket back here. All right, I think this is care instructions. Haven't bought a Brahmin in a minute. And we got information about it, and then you got the name of it there. And then all my Brahmin points are probably expired, but you can you know, send this in, register it, and get points. You get so much off your purchases. I don't think I ever actually used it because I usually buy it from somewhere else, like Dillard's. For a while, whenever I did buy a Brahmin, it was from Dillard's because they clearance. They do pretty good with clearances. But anyway, that is what I had to share. So it looks like it only comes with this one strap. I didn't research that because I just really liked it. And like I said, I was in store. I Googled it. And I was like, I want to see if I can get a better deal for it. I was thinking about buying it from the Belk website because I have enough Capital One shopping points to actually buy this and get it for free. But I came across a really good deal. So I'm going to use my Capital One shopping points to get a gift card at Belk, but I'm going to use it for something else. So anyway, guys, you can tell me what you think. I think this is so cute. And, you know, I've heard some people kind of say that, you know, Brahmin kind of gives like old lady church vibes, but I don't think you can say that about this one. I think they were going for a younger audience here, but maybe that's just me. Because I'm like in that old lady church group. So maybe it is who it was made for. But anyway, y'all tell me what you think, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.